Hey guys, welcome back. Hope you're doing well. It's been a minute, but in this video I wanted to share with you guys a couple of home decor items that I picked up for my bathroom makeover that's going to happen soon. So of course, like I said before, the theme is going to be black, white, and gold, which I'm super excited to actually redecorate my bathroom. And then also I'm going to do a little bit of cleaning as well. And then of course I show you guys a little bit of my hair care routine. I do love using the Jamaican black castor oil by Sunny Isle. I highly recommend this if you're battling with psoriasis like me. This has been helping me to actually control my symptoms. You know, anything to do with eczema, psoriasis, acne, minor sunburn, fine line, and wrinkles, this is very helpful with. I've been using this now for maybe 6 months and my psoriasis is so much better. I used to flake a lot, but now I flake a whole lot less. By the end of the week I'll flake a little bit, so then I'll just, you know, apply a little bit of the oil on my scalp. But it has been so helpful, and also on my hair ends as well. My hair has been so soft since I started using it, because of course, you know, you do need to moisturize your hair as well. But I think once you treat your scalp, that actually helps with the strengthening of your hair as well. So I'm going to share with you guys a little bit of cleaning, a little bit of home decor, and also this awesome glass tea kettle that I got from Amazon. I really love it. It's so easy to use. If you're a tea lover like me, I'm Jamaican, I love tea. Of course, you know, mint tea, turmeric tea, ginger tea. I love drinking tea because I think tea is very helpful for your body as well. Especially being an antioxidant, it's very good to drink tea. I highly recommend tea, you know, for your mental health, for your body wellness as well. So I'm super excited to share this with you guys. So let's jump into this video. So this is one of my Amazon home finds. This glass tea kettle I found on Amazon. It's in the Motamber store. It is the stovetop and microwave safe tea kettle. It has clear double fish pendant glass tea kettle and a removable infuser as well. That's where you place your tea bag. But I'm really loving this, you know, small yet such a great teapot. You just pretty much add your favorite tea bag in the infuser, and then that's how you make your favorite tea, whether it's ginger tea, peppermint tea. This tea I'm gonna make is actually turmeric with ginger as well, because I do love to drink turmeric and ginger together. So I'm gonna make me a nice cup of tea, and I'm gonna show you guys how easy it is to use this teapot. So you fill up your teapot with enough water to cover your tea bag. You want the tea bag to be submerged in enough water. You don't want to fill up the teapot too much, because then when it boils it'll start, you know, spilling over. So just put enough where your tea bag is covered in water. Then you turn your stove on the highest feature to get it boiling as quickly as possible. Here you can see it's boiling. What I usually do, I just put it to the side for about 5 minutes, let it steep so you could get all the good stuff out of the tea bag, and then you go ahead and start pouring your tea into your favorite teacup. This teacup I got on Amazon as well. You can find it in my Amazon store if you click the link in the description box. But this is one of my favorite teacups. So here I'm pouring my tea. It's so easy to use, especially if you want to have a nice cup of tea in the morning, in the afternoon, or at night. I highly recommend this teapot. I really love this teacup, as you can see. But I really enjoy making my tea with this teapot, so I highly recommend this. Don't forget to click the link. It's in the description box, and it's also just $25.99 for this teapot. So now we're going to be talking about the items that I picked up for my bathroom makeover. So this is like my 4th time, you know, redecorating my guest bathroom. It has been a minute, so I wanted to do black, white, and gold, you know, to kind of spruce it up and bring in that modern RH inspired theme. So I'm going to share with you guys a couple of items I picked up from Tjmax, Homegoods, Ross, and Marshalls as well. So I'm going to share with you my home decor pieces. The item that I picked up from Ross from a bathroom makeover is this 13-piece bathroom set. It is so pretty. It's also luxurious as well. You see the pattern on it. It is so nice. It has like a diamond print, which is awesome. So it looks super luxurious, which is what I'm looking for. So it has a little bit of texture and luxury as well, but I wanted to make my curtain black, you know, to give it a nice, elegant yet sophisticated look. I think black is just so nice, you know, in a bathroom. So I'm really happy with this. This I got for $12.99 at Ross. I had to run to multiple Ross just to find the matching curtain, but I really love this. It has the diamond print, which is awesome. So I think this is gonna look so nice in my bathroom. I love it. And then I picked up 2 bath decor. I got this tray from Tjmax for $14.99. I love this. It also has the gold accent that I'm looking for, and it's also black, but it also has like that marble look, which is awesome. I think this is gonna look so pretty in the bathroom. It's always great to have a little bit of gold and a little bit of texture on here, just to add a little bit of character to the space. And then I also got this soap tray, which is perfect. So this actually goes with the tray. And this soap holder I got for $5.99. I think I got this at Homegoods. So I really love this. This is, you know, to place any hand soap or anything else. So I picked up these 2. So I wanted to add a little bit of drama to the bathroom, and I got these Tahari home vases from Homegoods. This I got for $34.99. I love this. I always love the RH theme, which is simple, luxurious, and also high-end. So I think this is great for the bathroom. It kind of adds like this spa-like feel. So I wanted to purchase these 2 vases for the space, and this is from the Tahari home collection. So this is going to actually be, one is going to be, oops, focus. So one of these vases are going to go on the vanity, and then the other vase is going to go on a stand with a little bit of floral, you know, to add a little bit of drama to the space, and also to bring in a little bit of greenery. So I wanted to pick up these 2, and I got them both for $34.99 at Homegoods. I think they're so pretty. They have a little bit of texture on there as well, a little bit of roughness, which is nice. Like I said, I love texture in a space. Texture is everything. So especially if you want your space to have character. Texture, texture, texture. So I also bought, focus. So I also bought 2 of these jars. These are going to actually go on the shelf in the bathroom, because I also want to do an accent wall. So I wanted to pick up these 2 jars to add a little bit of softness to the space. This also has texture, but it's like a 3D texture on there, but it adds a little softness to the space. I didn't want to overwhelm the space in black, so I got these 2 little jars to put cotton swab and also other little knickknacks in this. So I'm really loving these. These I got from Ross for, no, these I got from, oh no, it broke. I'm gonna have to fix it. Oh my gosh. These I got from, I think I got this from Homegoods. It has the sticker on there, so I got these for $9.99 each. But I'm gonna glue this. I don't care. I can't believe that broke, but I really like this. I'm gonna glue it together. I'm just gonna use some Gorilla Glue and call it a day. I don't care. And then I got this metal wall decor from Ross. I got this for $24.99. I wanted something gold in the space, and this actually fits the bill. It's simple, it has texture. I didn't want to overwhelm the space because my bathroom is tiny, so I wanted to keep it light, luxurious, and modern as well, with a little bit of glam. So I think this wall decor is perfect. I was thinking of actually purchasing a second one, but I think one is fine. I don't want to overwhelm the space. Plus, I'm going to do my accent wall with the wallpaper. So I think that's enough for the space. I want to keep it simple, luxurious, black and white and gold and all that. So something different, because I've redecorated my bathroom, what, 3 times? I think I've done 3 videos on my bathroom, so this is going to be my 4th. So as usual, I want to keep it luxurious, spa-like, and simple. So I'm loving all the home decor I've purchased so far. Hopefully, I think the only thing I need is a bath mat. I need a rug, and then I bought this strip from Temu. I think that's the name of the website. It's like the next Amazon. But I bought this white strip to put around my toilet. Ever since the maintenance guys replaced my toilet, you know, they used the caulking, and it has like this water stain around it. It hasn't been the same, so instead of using grout, they actually use caulk, which shows, like, you know, it picks up the water stain when it's actually not leaking. But I just don't like the look, so I'm going to use that strip to apply around the toilet. I'm going to show you guys to kind of cover that up. I don't like looking at it. So the only thing I need for the bathroom to finish the space is actually the rug, and I think I'm done. I think I'm just going to keep it simple, and that's about it. I also got this bath mat from Ross. I think I got this for $10.99. I wanted to put something inside the tub to, you know, to make it cushiony and, you know, easy for the kids to use the bathroom. So I got the mat in black to kind of bring that luxurious soft feel to the bathroom as well. I also picked up this stand from Tjmax. I think I got this one on sale. Did I? Nope. I got this. There was one that I got on sale for like 10 bucks and I brought it back because it wasn't modern enough, but this one is. This I got for $14.99. Is actually a planter stand, but the whole idea is to put the vase on top of this and put it at the corner of my bathtub to give it that dramatic, nice look in the corner. So that was the whole idea of purchasing this stand. So overall, I think I've kept this bathroom makeover under 100 bucks, which is awesome. I would say 150. So let's just say this bathroom makeover is gonna cost 150, and that budget is pretty good. I think I did really good, including the wallpaper. So I think it's about 150, which is pretty nice. So I think, you know, redecorating this space on a budget, I can say I did a good job. So the only thing that's missing is a nice rug for the floor. I think I might add a couple other things, who knows, but that's just me. But overall, the space is coming together really well, and I'm super excited to share it with you guys. So that's all my home decor for today.